30 minutes later. Okay, this one's going to be really fun. Let's see what we can do to spice this helmet up a little bit. So upon further inspecting the helmet, it looks really good for what it is. I appreciate the detail that these guys have put into it, like some of the dents, the hands-on weathering that they did on it. However, it didn't quite meet the expectation that I was. Then again, it's a mass-produced product, so I wasn't expecting proper detail on some of the components on it. So I think that's what we're going to be doing. I wanted to tackle this and put my own sort of artistic spin on this helmet, especially if this is going to be a keeper. Went ahead, got two of my favorite paints. Ignore the green, we'll try that out later and see if we can change the color. But the black and the silver are two of my favorite colors to always use when it comes to weathering. First things first, let's try out this green paint. Yeah, didn't do a dang thing, so we're going to ignore the green paint and move on to the other colors. Wanted to go over it for the first time with the silver, so then when I go over it with the black, the silver will darken, and then I'll go back over it again after the black wash. So with using the silver, I wanted the rivets to really pop, and the silver paint needed to showcase these little rivets a lot more. So once all the silver touch-ups were done, I went over the entire helmet, filling in any cracks that needed to be dirtier, just a light black wash of weathering all over the entire thing. Especially on the bottom of the helmet, because on the bottom of it, that's where all the dirt and debris will get picked up. Even in all the cracks of the helmet, that's where all the dirt will just sit. It's going to be hard to clean. So we went over the entire thing as many times as possible just to dirty the helmet a little bit more. So this was just kind of a random mod I wanted to do. I didn't like how the helmet had like this bobblehead sort of effect when you jog over your head left and right. So I added some extra foam pieces just so that when I throw it on, it'll reduce the amount of bobblehead problem that this thing will have. So there you go, guys. The collector's edition Doom Dark Ages helmet has been slightly modified. I didn't want to do anything super crazy to it. Wanted to keep it simple because obviously this is not going anywhere. A long time waiting for me to get a actual collector's edition because I missed the Doom Eternal helmet, which is now $300 or $400 on eBay. So I'm glad I snagged this thing when I did. And now it's going to be forever eternaled into a switchable helmet for this costume. The cheek pads help out a little bit, so it gets rid of some of that bobblehead sort of feel. I think the only thing I might still do is maybe add a fan in here because there's no vents. No, nothing here at all. No vents. As I'm talking, the lens is getting all fogged up too. So I'm slowly losing my vision in this thing, but that's okay. But this was a fun one. I wanted to do something new, not just an original unboxing video like we did with the collector's edition statue, which is now on my Doom shelf with a couple of Halo action figures and stuff. And I thought this was a cool way to kind of do half an unboxing, also put my own little weathering technique in this thing as well. Unfortunately, you cannot get this helmet anymore. It is sold out. So I'm sorry for those of you who really wanted this helmet. There is a few of them on eBay if you just search around a little bit. They're for the same price. So if you do want one, eBay is probably your best option right now. After this video, I am going to put the Slayer to rest for a little bit and work on some other projects. But huge thank you to Bethesda for not only generating an incredible game, but also generating some pretty cool products to celebrate the launch of it. I also want to give him a small shout out on the customer support part of it. DPI Merchandising has an incredible customer service. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, Ray. We need some vents in this bitch. You guys have an awesome rest of the week, and I will see you goons in hell. In the next video. Slow motion. Oh my god. That is the worst helmet to cosplay in. Hey, I need some vents in this thing.